Right here, freestyle is a car almost fully covered. I don't know how these people is going to get this car out, and as you can see, guys, the depth of the snow, this one right here is completely covered. Right here is a car. Here is the mirror. This is crazy.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Yo, my Freestyle Nation, what's up, what's up? So we're outside and it's the blizzard of 2026, and right about now we are outside in the snowstorm. It's not nothing normal. The snow has been falling since 4 p.m. Sunday. Now this is Monday, 11 a.m. and the snow is still coming down. So right about now, Freestyle, we're just gonna give you a tour of the area and show you guys what is going on. Blizzard 2026. It's crazy, it's a historic storm, so we did have to document it. So just come with me, I'll just walk along. Zin, you know the vibes, freestyle. So right here, Freestyle Nation, I flip the camera on. As you can see, pile of snow. Right here is the road we have to navigate through, and as you can see, it is just extremely crazy out here. The snow plow passed through, make a roadway, and the height of the snow you're looking at right here, you could see for yourself. You could see the surface, well, not the surface, well, the height of the snow. So this is it basically, and the place is just a total mess. New York City is where you don't want to be right now. It is extremely crazy. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk and show you what's going on. Outside is extremely crazy. The wind, the snow, the rain, everything is mixed together. As you can see, these cars, I don't know when these cars is gonna actually get dig out and able to move again, but the whole city is blanketed with snow, and it's just crazy. It's just crazy. As mentioned before, New York City is not the place you want to be right now, because New York City is a total mess. So we're just gonna walk and show you guys what's going on. So just come along with me. In the meantime, you're watching the video, just give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. So guys, as I walk, the snow on the ground is basically, some part is basically giving you knee height. Now, Freestyle, this is not anything normal you're seeing here. Looking at these cars right here. So basically everything has been suspended in New York City today. State of emergency. Everything has been under lockdown. School, businesses, everything. That means everybody has to be home. And in regard to the state of emergency, if you're not essential worker, you're not allowed to be on the street, or else you can be ticketed, or you can go to jail, whatever it is. But I'm out here, and even though the state of emergency, there are some people that are still moving around, and As you can see for yourself, guys, the place is just a complete mess. And Rain Freestyle is out here trying to document a part of it to show you guys who are not from New York and want to see what is going on in New York. You could have an idea what is going on. Across here is the LIR railroad, and it has been closed since 1 o'clock last night. So the MTA buses are still running, but yeah, we have to big up MTA because of all this time I've been through in New York City, I've never witnessed a storm where the bus have to shut down. The bus is always running, so I have to big up MTA for that, you know what I mean? Keep the city moving regardless of what, because as you know, you have people who have to go to work, the nurses, the doctor, the soldiers, you know what I mean? The police, you name it. So we did have to have some form of transportation moving that can take the people from point A to point B to serve and protect and to do whatever they have to do. But Freestyle, as we walk down the block, it's not anything pretty outside here. It is a total mess. And as for these cars, I don't know when these cars are going to be able to move, because they are fully covered right now and the snow is still coming down. Yo. So Freestyle, as we continue the journey to show you guys what is going on out in the snowstorm. Marky, the storm is not finished. The snow is still coming down. Maintenance people are out trying to clean the sidewalk and stuff like that. So but all I can say out here is crazy, extremely crazy. This lady, I assume she have to go to work, so she's over there trying to dig out her car in the middle of the storm. So big up to the lady here. You know what I mean? Out here, so we have some crew cleaning the bus stop and all these things. Bless up, bless up. So they're trying to clean the bus stop, so at least people can still catch the bus if they have to catch the bus and stuff like that. So we have to big up to them, keeping the city moving and all these things. So we continue the journey, guys, and out here is not looking good. Out here is a total mess. But what I realize is that most people has taken heed to stay off the road and stay in, because I'm not seeing much vehicles out here, and for such, you know, that is really kind of good for the plow team, that when they're going through, they don't have much vehicle in their way to stop them from plowing. So right here, Freestyle is a car almost fully covered. I don't know how these people is going to get this car out, and as you can see, guys, the depth of the snow, this one right here is completely covered. Right here is a car, here is the mirror. This is crazy. What you're looking at right here, guys, is a car. And all you can see left of this car is the mirror. All you can see of this car is the mirror. We come to the back, you can see a piece of the bumper and the tail light. Out here is crazy. So Freestyle, you're watching the video, you reached this far. Freestyle is bringing you Blizzard of 2026. And it is extremely crazy. My heart not in the middle of the storm, not in the middle of the snow. Wanting to give the video a thumbs up, wanting to share the video. Let some people from all over the world can see what is going on in New York. Right here is a car, also fully covered. And as I said, guys, you watch the video this far, you know what I mean, just give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Over Freestyle Adventures, we give you entertainment, all the latest events, the parties, the live performance. But on day like these, you know, we'll come out and we'll give you the snowstorm and all these things, you know what I mean? Just to keep the guys abreast of what is going on. So we're out here, we just walking the street of New York to show you guys what is really going on. But yeah, as I said, guys, it is crazy. So I'm going to walk now onto the main thoroughfare to see what the vehicular traffic is like out here, because as mentioned before, it's a state of emergency. So meaning if you're not an essential worker, you're not supposed to be out on the street driving or anything like that. So we're gonna see if people take heed or people are still out and about. Now, as you can see, guys, the roadway is in a very deplorable condition. Right here is the roadway, and I don't know, but if you're not driving a four-wheel drive or a big truck, it don't even make sense you even try to take on this. It seems like the plow trucks are working, because I'm seeing blacktop. When I say blacktop, we're talking like the roadway. Some instance, sometimes you can't see the roadway. It's all covered with snow and stuff like that. So seems like the plow truck is out and about and doing a good job. Now right here is the gas station, and the entrance to the gas station is right here. So to get in the gas station, it might be a challenge for some people if you're not driving a truck or something. But all I know outside here is a total mess. So as we continue to walk, you guys, through the snowstorm, we just want massive them stay safe. We hope the storm will finish soon, so we can continue business as usual, because you know this is New York and we can't afford to be home for too long. So we have to out there making the money. So we just can't wait for this to finish. As a matter of fact, not just for this to finish, I just can't wait for winter to over, because as for me, this winter is a winter where I personally is not welcoming of it. This winter has been very, very, very active. If you ask me, too active. So I just can't wait for spring to start. We can get some warm weather. We can hear it to start. Enjoy New York City again. Right now we're not enjoying it. So Freestyle, as we continue to walk down the block to show you guys what is going on. It is extremely cold outside, but I wouldn't say as cold as the last time we have. The last time we have was probably like, outside was probably like about 4 degrees. It was extremely cold. Now this time is putting in some work, bro. Yeah, of course. The last time we have, while the storm was blowing, it was probably like 4 degrees outside. Now with this storm, which is about 29 degrees, freezing, but not as bad as the last one. So give thanks for that. And then after the storm, we're going to have a couple days of warm up. So we should be able to start the melting as soon as possible. As for the last storm, the melting started probably like about a week or two after, so you know how that go. Vehicle was submerged under the snow for days, couldn't move because the snow become ice and all these things. So still out and about, and here's a plow truck coming up. So freestyle as we continue to walk. And if you're watching this video, you wonder where is Orion doing this vlog from. We're coming to you from Queens, New York, and to be exact, we're in Jamaica, Queens. And the place is just crazy massive. When I say crazy, the place is crazy. But as I mentioned before, events like these will have to bring them to you guys. It's not all about the parties and the live concert, because remember the channel name Orient Freestyle Adventures. So right now I'm basically outside on an adventure, bringing the snowstorm to you and you. So just sit back, relax, and just go and enjoy the vlog. But in the meantime you're watching, just give the video a thumbs up, no man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and you know the vibes. Freestyle out up on the ground. So freestyle, we're still on the move, and these roadways are no joke. The place is a complete mess. When I say a complete mess, I mean a complete mess. Right here I'm on the sidewalk, and basically there is nowhere to walk. So walking on the sidewalk right here will show you the depth of the snow, and there is some part that I'm stepping right now where the snow is almost knee height. See that? I would say to people who have to dig their car out, now is the time for them to go and start digging, because the snow right now, it is very powdery, and now is really the right time for you to go and dig, because if you wait a couple of days, you're probably going to have to dig in and chip in ice. So now is really the right time to go and start the digging. Yeah, as mentioned guys, the snow, because of the wind, there's some side of the road that has more snow than some, because it all depends on the direction that the breeze is blowing. So where I'm walking right now is fully, actually the breeze is blowing this side, so the snow is really high here, and as I step through, I'm getting knee height of snow. Let me show you an example. I just step right here. Here are my footsteps. Knee height snow, so out here is no joke massive. And as we continue to walk and show you guys what is going on in Jamaica, Queens, I'm gonna tell you guys again. Oh wow, right here is over my knee freestyle. Snow removal trucks. So with these trucks now, they're trying to clean the car park while the snow fall. Because as you know guys, this is New York and we're not gonna be done for too long. So it's by Tuesday morning, everything up and running. School, business as usual, everything. We get a one snow day and we give thanks for that, but this place is not gonna sit back and let you have 2 snow day back to back. No, not New York. Got those cars over there, fully engulfed. So, as I'm doing this vlog, I see it as a way of exercise for me. I don't know if you could see it on camera guys, but the snow is still coming down. Yo, this is crazy freestyle. The height of the snow is not reflected on camera, but I could tell you guys we're getting knee-height snow. As I walk through, I have to step, then I have to force myself to step up back because my feet are going down in the snow to knee height. This is not normal out here. Not normal freestyle nation. So you see MTA is still on the move. Big up MTA, they keep the city moving. If you know where I'm at guys, leave it in the comment section. So, if you're familiar with this area, I'm going to put the camera on the street name, and I'm going to put the camera also on that business established name. So if you know New York, you probably know exactly where I'm at. And I must say, so good so far. The cleaning team, they have been working. They work overnight, and you walk the street, you can see some black top. That's good. That means vehicular traffic can move around even though the place is so crazy. So we have to big up the DOT team that is ensuring that the roadway is clean. We're walking the roadway right now and I'm seeing black top, which is good. So big up to them for that. To cleaning the street. Really? Yeah. That Porsche guy having fun in the snow with his car, but not a good idea, bro. This, if you slip, you slide. So freestyle. You know, when I see stuff like these, here's the next car, fully covered. Whether like these just help me to even try to curb myself more, like in terms of, oh no, look at this right here. So the breeze is blowing to this side. So let me show you guys an example of what I was talking about. Right? The breeze is blowing to this side. So it blows and it banked the snow over here. So this is the height of the snow I was telling you guys about just now. I'm walking and I'm walking knee height. So this is the snow right here. And let me try to see if I could get this on camera. So right here is my foot. My foot is on the ground and the breeze is blowing the snow from that side to this side. Now this is the height of the snow. Knee height. See? This is the sidewalk. No tractor come here, no plow come here. But the breeze is blowing the snow to this side, so it bank it up. And right here is a car. You can see how the breeze blow the snow and just bank it on the side away from the car right there. So it's a lot of snow, but because it is very windy, it kind of blow the snow to the direction of where the wind is blowing. So it is somewhat good because it causes snow not to stick in one area, in one area too much. It kind of spread the snow all over, so I think that is kind of good. But then again, it's good for some people and not good for some people, because if you park on the left and the breeze is blowing to the right, it is going to blow the snow onto the right to where your car or your house at. That is where it come and pile up. But nevertheless, we out here and we're trying to give you guys the footage of what is taking place in New York City right now. And as the storm is still happening, Rain Freestyle make sure we comes out here and give you guys exclusive footage of what is happening in New York City. So as mentioned before, the city is under a state of emergency. They ask all vehicular traffic to stay off the road. As they can see, the roadway is empty. They are cleaning the street. School is closed. 99% businesses are closed. You might find a few of the corner shops that are open. The supermarkets, they're closed. Everything basically are closed. So right now it's not the time for you to have an emergency, because even some of the doctor's office, they are closed. So not the time to have an emergency. Not a good time. So basically we're still out here, we're still walking. McDonald's is closed. Yeah, Mr. Mac is closed. Everybody is closed. Freestyle. So as we continue to give you guys coverage of what is happening in New York City, the street is very quiet, as you can see for yourself. This is the main thoroughfare, and as you can see, not even one car. You see a car over there, it's the NYPD. And if you see a car on the road, guys, it must have to be some form of essential workers, because they said no one's supposed to be on the street from, I think, 9 last night until probably like about midday or 1 o'clock today. So people are taking heed and trying to stay in as much as possible, because it is very dangerous out here. Very dangerous. So as we continue to give you guys coverage, guys, in the meantime you're watching the video, we're asking you to just give the video a thumbs up, man. Subscribe to the channel. As you can see over here, Freestyle, the depth of the snow. So the wind is blowing from the right to the left, and you can see for yourself over here, extremely high. As you look, it's like a little mountain over here, and it is just beautiful. But even though it's beautiful, guys, I just don't like the snow. No time, no day. I just can't like the snow. Like, I prefer deal with the cold than the snow. I'll put on a few layers and go outside, but honestly, the snow, I can't do it. No, my hands are freezing, guys, so we'll have to wrap up this vlog and call it a day. But as mentioned before, Freestyle have to come outside and give you guys a first-hand look at what is going on in the section of Queens, New York, where I'm at. And if you're watching this video, guys, we're not asking you for donation, we're not asking you for nothing. We just ask that you subscribe to the channel and Orain Freestyle is 2 channels. We have Orain Freestyle Adventures, which is the main channel, which is this channel that I'm going to post this video on. And also we have Freestyle ENT. And both channels will give you the best in entertainment, where we cover nightlife all over the world. We bring you the parties, we bring you the concerts, live performance, everything we bring them to you. So just subscribe and stay connected. It's Orain Freestyle Adventures and Freestyle ENT. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Orain Image and at Orain Alliance. Please follow me on Instagram also, as we continue to bring you guys good entertainment content. But as mentioned, guys, I have to give props to the sanitation team, because they did a good job so far. The snow has been falling from about 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. yesterday, Sunday. It's now Monday, almost midday, and we have to give it to them, because as you can see, guys, we're walking and we're seeing blacktop. They're treating the road, they're clearing the roadways to have vehicular traffic moving, so we have to dig them up. So big up to the sanitation team for doing what they do best. Yeah, I mean, like, bro, as a so freestyle, as someone from the island, you know what I always say? I don't think certain place make for human being. Like, for example, this cold weather, piles of snow. What they're saying on the news is that we're getting like probably 15 to 24 inches of snow. This is not nothing normal. Then, I don't think them place make for human being. The cold, the snow, the extreme weather, and then again, when it gets hot, it gets really hot. When it gets cold, it gets really cold. But I don't know. But we're here for a reason, you know what I mean? To make use of the opportunity that comes along with it. You know what I mean? You know, so even though it's snow and it's hot and it's cold, that don't stop us from going out there and work, you know what I mean? So, just one of them things, them say life is never perfect. So there's always gonna be something in life that is gonna make it not as perfect as you would want it to be. And I think of as such, you know what I mean, this is one of the instances where people like me that is from the Caribbean who don't used to these cold climate and these pile of snows and stuff like that, we just have to compromise and know, say, yo, we came to this country for a better life and a better way of living. So you just want to think that come with it, the extreme weather. So we have to just deal with it for now and just know, say, yo, I saw it go, you know. But we're still out here walking the street, guys, and this storm is a mega storm. As mentioned, guys, it has been snowing since 5 p.m. Sunday. It's now 12 noon Monday, and the snow is still coming down, but not as hard as yesterday. I think it probably stopped like about 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, they said, but yeah. I think I should go and try to start dig my car out, but then it's probably too much right now for me, because honestly It's cold, it's freezing. I just want to get back inside and warm up. Good job.
Thank you.
I hope the plow don't come and black you back in because they always do that. Alright, have a good one. Yes, so the lady right there digging out her car. So guys, this is it. This is how deep the snow is on the sidewalk. And some places it is actually deeper. As mentioned, it all depends on which side the wind is blowing. Some side is less snow on some side, and some side it is like knee height. It all depends on which direction the wind is blowing to. But as you can see, these cars, some of them is almost fully submerged, and it's going to take days for these people to get their car out. But the beauty about it is, after the snowstorm, we're going to get a few days of 35 degrees and 40 degrees. So it might not take too long to melt, and we give thanks for that, you know. But yeah, it's rough out here. It's rough. It's not easy. Snow is still coming down. Yeah, so we're out here, and big up to the freestyle massive them, the massive them who don't live in New York City and might see on the news that New York City has been rocked by a snowstorm. Big up on yourself, enough respect. I and our freestyle have to come out here and show it to you guys, you know what I mean? What it's like to be in the middle of a blizzard. I mean, like, it's not something easy. You're getting snow, you're getting rain, you're getting wind. Only thing you're not getting in the blizzard is sun, but everything else comes with it. It comes with rain, it comes with snow, it comes with wind. And it's just extremely crazy out here. And as I walk, guys, you can see for yourself, the vehicles are almost fully submerged. I mean, like, hey, and tell you what, you know what? Everybody get their own share now. Like, the islands get the hurricane, and the hurricane come and it rock the place. House get blown down and all these things. They get flood, the place wash away. Even though we get flood here in the US too, probably even worse than the Caribbean. But I'm saying that the island get hurricane, storm and stuff like that. Here we get the snowstorm and stuff. I want you to leave it in the comment section, guys, and tell me, what would you prefer? A hurricane like a Melissa or a historic snowstorm? Tell me which one of you that take over which one. Because I personally would have take the snowstorm, you know, because snowstorm now come blow down your house and take off your roof. It might have you maroon for a while, but then after a while you can dig out and get back to normal. But with a category 5 like a Melissa, that comes and it just rip your place away. So here it is now, guys. Let me show you what I was explaining to you guys. The wind is blowing from the right to the left, and you can see the height of the snow. See that? So basically, some places is over knee height, while some places it is very low, it is very shallow, all depending on the direction that the wind is blowing. So as I continue to walk and show you guys what is going on, again, we're going to ask you to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. You know, freestyle out here like normal, and we're just there to do it, you know what I mean? That is it. Freestyle, it's cold. No joke when I say it's cold. It is extremely cold. But you know, we have to come out and see you may come get the content for the massive them who want to see what exactly is happening in New York City right now. New York City is not good. New York City is not the place you want to be right now. Now, as mentioned, some part of the roadway has been cleared at the main thoroughfare, but like the side street like this one, there are still inches of snow on the roadway. So some place you can drive, but some place don't even think about driving because the roadway is impossible. Yo, then Eve and me couldn't even think about something. I come out and come drive car because my car is no good when I come on to snow. That shit gonna skid out all day. Guys, it's very windy. This wind is no joke. Wow. Fully. See them? Fully. Can't even see the wheels. It's going to take a while for us to bounce back from this one. This one is really massive. This one is not a joke freestyle. Yo, you could hear the wind. You know, it's not nothing normal going on around here. What's up, boss?
What's going on?
Yeah. Me tell you, bro, it's crazy. So, he said I'm trying to climb a pile of snow over here and which kind you trying to dig out? This one or this one?
This me I take out.
But bro, guess what? You take it out on the plug and come and black in again.
Eh?
And the plug and come back and black in right back again.
That's why me I try to get it out from now.
Okay, I try to move it from here, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna live here, me have a home.
Okay.
I'm trying to go home and try to see if we can do some shoveling.
Oh, makes sense, bro.
We're working from overnight.
Yo, damn, I can imagine.
Yeah.
It's crazy out here, bro.
I came here about 7 o'clock yesterday.
7 o'clock?
From 7.
Oh, you were the overnight shift.
And the time is now 11. So 12 o'clock I'm out here.
Yo, no matter what you do it. Big up yourself, boss. Yeah, man, safe. You don't know. So, freestyle as we continue to give you guys coverage of what is going on. Some cleanup exercises going on right now as we speak. Piles of snow freestyle, and it's not anything normal out here right now. That is it. So people, it is crazy out here. This guy right here is trying to get his car out, but let's see how this one works. Let's see how this one works. Our car is not moving, bro. So freestyle, we're about to close off right now. So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Until next time, catching the next one. As you can see, my eyes are watery. Out here is extremely cold, and the wind is blowing. The snow is coming down, and it's just crazy out here. So until next time, freestyle, catching the next one. You know the vibes, freestyle.